Hi guys, welcome to Mahamaya tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about the email setting of the WooCommerce plugin. Go to WooCommerce, go to setting. In the setting, we have an email option. When you enter the email, you have an email notification. You have a table. These are the queries. When new orders are placed, a template we have selected. You can create your own template or edit the pre-built template which is developed by the WooCommerce. And the recipient will be this email ID. Assume like you have new order and you want to sell that new order to a particular department. Let's assume that email ID will be new order @ecommerce.com or whatever it be. For cancellation, your email ID will be cancellation@ecommerce.com. So it will be example. You can create your own email ID according to your requirements. You can edit these templates by clicking here or here. Let's click here now. First option is the enable or display notification for the new order. Recipient will be this email ID. You can add one more email ID by giving comma. Let's assume I got this option, and you can give one more email ID. Notification: when the new order is placed, the notification will be sent to these two email ID, and the subject will be site title, that is this is website, my website ecom, and ecom title will be here, a new customer order number, and the order date I'll get on this email ID. Next option is the email heading. A new customer order is the default email heading. You can write your own email heading. Next option is the email type. You can choose out of three one option, but HTML is the best one out of these three. Click on HTML. Next option, click on save change. Next option is copy file to theme or the view template. When you click on the template, you'll get a complete whole set of email. This is the format of the email that you'll receive when a new order is placed. When the new order is placed, you'll get an email notification in this format. You can edit it by copy file to theme. When you click on copy file to theme, you have a delete template file. If you don't want, you can delete that. Next, click on view template, and now this is editable. You can edit this according to your requirements if you don't like the default one. Once your editing is done, make sure click on save change, and let's move out to the back option. Similarly, you can edit cancel order, failure order, failed order on hold, etc. You can edit. In this case, from order on hold till new account, the customer will get notification. You can edit these in the similar way as the new order that I have shown you how to edit that. Email sender option from ecom, that will be your website title, and from, if any time email is going to your customer, then from this email ID the customer will get notification. And email template, that will be HTML template that I have shown you here on the top. In this new order, I have shown you one email template. That same email template look is this one. Here is ecom powered by WooCommerce. You can edit this one, footer text, and you can add a header image. Here is no header image, so you can add header image. Go to media file, go to library. If you haven't added that image, click on add image. Click on any of the images. Copy the URL of that file. Come back and paste it here. This will be my header image, and footer text you can edit. You can choose the base color, background color, body color, and the body text. Click on save change once you are done. Next, refresh the page. You can see this is our header image, and next this is the template that we have created. You can edit as I have shown you. Once you are done, click on save changes. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.